In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Wix. If you're looking to enhance your website's visual appeal, adding images is an excellent way to do so. We'll go through each step with helpful tips along the way, ensuring you have a smooth experience while working on your Wix site. To get started, you'll need to head over to the Wix website editor. Simply log into your Wix account and navigate to your site editor. Once you're there, the next step is to locate the Add Elements button. It's typically found on the left-hand side of the editor, sitting within a vertical menu. By clicking on this button, you open up a window of possibilities, as adding elements is a central part of customizing your Wix website. Now, within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Image. This is what you should select to begin your image adding process. Clicking on Image will bring up a dialog window with further options. From here, the next action to take is to look for the Upload Images option. This is the gateway to bringing your own personal images onto your website. Upon clicking Upload Images, you'll be prompted to choose from where you'd like to upload the images. Select the Upload from Computer option. This is usually the most straightforward method if your images are stored locally on your device. A File Explorer will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your files. Choose the desired image by clicking on it. With your selection made, hit Open or the equivalent button, and your image will begin to upload into Wix. Once uploaded, your image will appear in the site's media library. It's important to remember, at this point, you'll need to click on the image again to select it. This action confirms that this is indeed the image you want added to your page. Finally, the last step is to click on Add to Page. Doing so will place the image on your active web page. It's worth mentioning here that once the image is on your page, you can drag and drop it to different areas of your site, or use alignment tools to position it according to your design preference. Through these steps, you've now successfully added an image to your Wix site. Take a moment to review how the image integrates with your content and make any necessary adjustments. Remember, images can significantly enhance the user experience when used thoughtfully. So consider your layout and the overall aesthetic of your site. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching and enjoy designing your website with Wix.